What are people saying about the Knotty Artisan Epoxy class?
Oh, I really enjoyed being able to use my creativity by using the epoxy and just like learning new skills. It was really fun to learn the new skills. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I think it has a lot of really neat techniques and things that people could benefit from.
I love the class. I love the fun atmosphere that Bronson and Rhonda have. They have a good rapport or relationship going on, and they just made learning really fun. Definitely recommend this class, and it was just fun to learn new skills, and they're just really knowledgeable with what they work with, and it was great. I would definitely recommend it.
It's fun. The instructors make it fun, they keep it moving. You get a lot of hands-on, you get to see it, they let you play with theirs. All the instructors were great, so you got to play and it became fun. The more you played with it, the more fun it got. And you always think you ruined it, and then it just comes together at the last minute. And it's the coolest thing I'll ever play with. I plan on coming back to future classes they teach. They're just great instructors, they take the time. If you don't get it, you can go back to them and say, hey, I don't get it, and they'll walk you step by step through. It's the best instruction you can get on it to get started, to get your feet wet. I bought a bunch of materials, was scared to use it, came home. I'm going home, I'm doing it. I mean, I ain't scared now. So they're fantastic instructors. A+ all the way.
And now it's time to check it out for yourself. Bronson and Rhonda will take you step by step on working with epoxy on a professional level. Seats are filling up fast, so reserve your seat now.